I'm Meg, so I am the community manager for our global communities. And yeah, what I love about Simplified is that it's just an awesome platform that anybody can use. So whether you're a seasoned designer or even if you don't have any experience really designing, but you need to use these tools, this is why Simplified was created. I particularly love using the tool because my husband and I run a nonprofit. And so I have to do all of our marketing, but I'm not really a design expert. And the cool thing about Simplified is that it's so user friendly and it's so all encompassing that you can do everything for brand marketing right here on Simplified. And experts are creating templates, and there's so many tools with our AI assistant that will help basically you do whatever you need to do. So whether it's writing blogs, we have an AI assistant that can help you come up with the ideas for the blogs and then even start writing that content for you. We also have all these incredible templates, of course, that is going to make social media planning and social media posting just super easy. And then we're also coming up with all of these new features. And that's why we love having our global community, because we love to hear you guys' feedback so that we know what to build into Simplified and how we can help you to be faster and to do more and to earn more. So that's what we're here for, just to support you guys as the global community of creatives. And yeah, we're excited to get to use Simplified and particularly our AI to be able to help you guys do more.
Thank you. Thank you, Meg. Thanks for great introduction. All right. So what we will do, we'll start with, let me share my screen. All right. So we'll start with how to use artificial intelligence, aka AI, in brand marketing in this session. Let's start with what is AI, why marketing needs artificial intelligence, how to use AI for your business. That could be, you could be a freelancer, agency, or social media manager. How can AI benefit you? How can AI augment you to do more with less? And then the key takeaways. We'll also go through the demo. We'll show you some tricks and tips on how to use simplified platform. So what is AI? Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or a machine to think and learn almost like a human. And this is the Wikipedia definition. Now, if we come back from the AI, artificial intelligence, to today's brand marketing or like the whole ecosystem, if you look at today's brand marketing is complex. Today's marketing channel, there are just too many marketing channels. There is so much content is getting created, and you don't have tools, or you're struggling to keep up with that whole. So speed and execution is the key. Often we have the creative block. Often we are looking for new ideas. And for example, you need to be creative and clever in order to break through this. All the last year was like one of the hardest year for in the human like recent history, where majority of the world was at home, and first thing as a user we were doing was looking through our phone, consuming more content, and last thing we were doing at was consuming more content. So as a marketer, as a freelancer, as a designer, your messaging needs to stand out. You need to have it should resonate with your users, with your customers. So how do you achieve that? And that's where, and if you look at the next decade, so first is like, how can we make humans faster? How can we do more with less? And if you look at the next decade, is all about making humans faster, doing more with less, working efficiently. And that's where we believe AI will play huge role in your workplace. And we are super excited to introduce like simplified AI assistant to, and bringing that creativity, bringing that assistance. AI is not here to replace you. If anybody is creating that notion, it's not right. AI is augmenting the way you work, make you look smarter, get shit done more faster, or do more with less. So everything you need is simplified with us. On simplified platform, all you need from like creation to distribution to scale, that's our mission. We are building a space, we are building a global community, so that way you can get inspired, you can deliver faster, and work together with creative minds across the world. And we are building communities globally, so you can connect with the right folks and we can make opportunities available to our community. So this is the quick presentation, and let me now jump into some of the capabilities, how you can use simplified to do more with less, how to use AI, simplified AI to achieve more stuff. So the way it works, simplified is free, and people often ask us why we are still not charging our users or why we are still free. The question is, we'll have free forever plan together because our goal is to ensure the technology is available to each and every person out there, and we help creators, marketers to make them to do more in their job, greater success. So you can sign up, go to simplified.app, log in with your Google account, and once you log in, you have a couple of things going on here. You can design anything, any social media templates or social media designs using design from scratch. You can access our templates, or you can use AI assistant to achieve more with less. So maybe I'll just give a quick tour around so that way and then we'll go and do a deep dive through AI assistant. So to get started, you can click on start from. And what we did, because as a designer, as a marketer, we don't want to spend time in thinking what is the right size for particular social media format. So we already created all of these for you guys. You can click on it and filter through it, pick any size and get started. For example, I can click on skyscraper. It's already nicely optimized for that particular component. You have lots of templates available for you to use and go ahead and clone from any templates. Then, or you can go and browse through lots of templates. Our global team is every week they go ahead and publish these new templates. If you want, you can simply go and clone any template you want. So for example, if I'm working on this particular holiday package, I can just go and clone it and use it for free. You can use it, you can clone it, you can change it. It's all royalty free images. If you are working and creating the entire marketing, let's say marketing campaign for your customers, you can go and share this with your customers, you can invite them, and or you can build the entire campaign within just one click. So I'm going to go and clone this artboard and then resize it for Facebook cover page. So if you see it already cover page, we are still working on making sure that AI automatically changes everything for you. But this is a boilerplate. You can get started immediately. And then this is a one piece where you can start design anything you want on simplified platform. You can also build videos for your customers. So for example, you can click open simplified platform and let's go. Once it's loaded, it's one click videos. I can click on animate, set up clip duration, let's say 6 seconds, and apply certain presets and go to export, click video and export. It will go and export video. We are investing in this area so that way you can build video assets directly from simplified platform. But the most thing I'm excited about is AI. So let's jump onto that particular capabilities. So now, often as a designer, as a marketer, you want to do more with less. You want to create like certain e-commerce templates, or you want to work on Facebook ad. Let's take an example. If I am a marketer and I'm working for a company where you want to just get ideas. What should I do next? What should I post on my social media channels? What should I talk about? Our AI tools are meant for those. So the best place to start with is probably blogging or blog ideas. So for example, I'm going to click on blog ideas. Now you can enter your client's website. For example, let me show you. So here is a one of the client, vegamore.com. They are e-commerce website for women products. So I'm just now going to enter. their URL here, like vegamore.com, and say find now. AI goes and finds the information for them for that particular company. Let's try another one. So I'm going to click on blogging, click on blog ideas and title, and let's try maybe Zoom. So if you see it, it already fetch all the information about the company, where exactly this company is generated. And then once this information is there, you can also hand write it. Once it is there, you can just click on generate. I think it has a limit. So let me just remove this, make it 400 and click on generate ideas. So what AI will do, AI will go through, understands the context, and then will come up with different blog ideas which are probably relevant to your audience. So you can say how to quickly start using Zoom for free. Top tips for community communicating with your audience. If you don't like it, you can always go and say generate now or generate more, and AI will generate more results for you. It takes 10 to 15 seconds to do it. There you go. And once you like certain results, once you think, okay, this is really awesome, you can mark it as a favorite and copy it. Now you like this particular content, which is like 3 ways to use or like engagement or like tips for building a successful on-demand video program. How to choose. I think I like this one even better because this is more SEO friendly. I can go and favorite it. Now I'm going to say Zoom blog ideas. Now I can go and access my all documents here. And or if you want to go and quickly get the information, I already have it here. I can go and click this. Now it is copied. Now I want to write a blog introduction. I want to give my customer a blog really quickly. I want to be a really good content writer. So I'm going to paste the blog topic saying 3 ways Zoom rooms can increase employee engagement. And now AI will go and generate the entire blog outline for you in 15 seconds. There you go. So why employee engagement is, how do you increase employee engagement? Zoom rooms are valuable. If you like it, keep it. Again, just in, if you want to change it, engagement in the company, you can change the topic and say generate now. There you go. So what is Zoom? How increase engagement in your company, beneficial for small businesses, and conclusion. I like this better because this is more generic. This is very tailored towards that one particular topic. Again, I can favorite both. I'm going to copy the same title. Now click on blogging and go to blog introduction. Now I want to write blog introduction for this particular topic. So let's see what AI produces for this. There you go. So you can pretty much start writing, generate it. And if you want to this, just double click on it and change the content, save it, and train the AI your style of writing. So AI will learn from your style and will produce even better results next time. So this is within like probably 1.5 minutes. I already generated blog outline. I already generated my blog introduction. I can just go and expand my entire. So let's go here and I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste my blog introduction. I think this is where we have. I can open this document again and say copy and let's paste it here. Now, if I want to expand on this, I'm like, okay, what should I write in this particular area? I'll copy this particular line and use another template. I can go and use, let's say, content rewriter or explain a concept to my 3-year-old or like the sentence expander. So maybe we can start with, okay, what is the concept? Zoom video conferencing. So I want to explain it to my audience in a most simplest way. So I can click on it and it will explain that concept. So before we talk, so it is giving me content, whichever, if I don't like it, I can always generate more to see what kind of content AI can produce it for me. So you can copy, again, mark it favorited and use it wherever you want. So if you have seen like the way I'm generating the content and I'm copy pasting it, then there are very famous frameworks, AIDA or before after bridge, or so let's go here. Now again, I'm going to enter zoom.com, find now. Let me remove this because it is saying I just need 400 and click on Zoom. So it will give you the framework, problem, description, and action. There you go. So problem is video conferencing is overwhelming. You can help your customers to write, or like in your workplace, you can write better emails. You can get really good at communication. So you can use this, you can write it using this pass framework or before after template framework. So there are at least like really good handful of tools for you to get started and really SEO ready blog within 10 minutes maybe max. And we are soon adding ability to write a full blown blog on simplified platform. So stay tuned for that. Now, let's switch gears a little bit. Imagine if someone you are working on branding exercise. You want to create like landing page header text or like product descriptions, because as a part of the branding exercise, usually you give your customers the entire package. So let's take again example of Zoom. Enter the company URL, have the information. Now you guys know the drill. Remove it and say generate now. Let's see what kind of landing page header text for our website AI suggests for us. Wow. Next generation of like meet and collaborate with everyone you work with. Simple, flexible, scalable video conferencing. I can say again, website titles and then go, maybe I just need subtitle as well. Same thing. And there are keywords. If you guys seen it, it already fetch all the keywords which are relevant to this particular subheading. I can click on generate. So Zoom. So if you look at the titles, like work to collaborate with everyone, and then you can use this as a title. So no, not only one, but now you can share four different concepts with your customers. Four different concepts. So within you can do more with less. You can deliver more and charge efficiently to your clients and get things done. Similarly, product and brand. You can write company bios, you can write product description. The fun one is brand awareness. So let's try zoom.com again, our favorite example. I'm going to remove this thing from here and say generate now. So it will create really amazing brand awareness taglines. Okay, there you go. Video conferencing for everyone. Always on, connected, meet any device. Transform your meetings with Zoom. But now let's push the boundaries. Let's do more. Let's bring that efficiency, not just only in writing, but some creatives as well. So simplified AI is capable of generating content, generating images without hassle. So I'm going to click on it and AI will find right content for you, images. And if you don't like certain images, you can go and replace them. So I'm going to click here and say replace image. So within 1 minute, I managed to generate like these creatives. I can go and change images, make them look better. I can go and make it look like the way customers brand looks like, but within no time AI generated this content for me. Let's go back and show you guys a few more tricks. E-commerce, Amazon product listing or review responder. So for example, if I want to write Amazon product listing, I can write a product name. So you can help customers to even write Amazon product listing, which actually helps them selling. And then as a social media marketer, it's often challenging for us to know which hashtags are going to perform really well for my social media post. Yesterday we launched hashtag generator. So you can click on it and say, I'm going to talk about Zoom or introducing Zoom for social video conference and say generate now. AI will generate hashtags for your post as well. Zoom meetings, video conferencing. So pretty much all the capabilities are available as a social media or social media manager or designers, because often as a designer also we struggle with coming up with certain taglines or quotes. So let imagine like I'm doing something, I'm writing a quote for a customer or my next campaign. I can go and write campaign saying, let's say, Monday morning motivation, and say generate now. And again, AI will generate really nice quotes for you. Let's see, let's what kind of quotes will generate. Okay, so you can copy paste the one you like and say either you can save it. If you don't like it, again flag it so that our team knows that we can retrain AI, our AI artificial intelligence assistant. We call it as Loki. So we'll retrain Loki so it understands what's happening, and you can click on generate creatives again. So your social media post is pretty much ready. What we are doing is we are not building an average tool. Our whole goal is how can we allow you to do more with less. So we talked about writing, generating content, generating assets, but let's do more. So for example, I can go and search for some images. We already integrated with Pixel, Pixabay, Shopify, Google Drive. Now here I'm going to copy this particular person, and let's ask Loki to remove this background from this image. I'm going to click on remove background, and AI takes another 10 to 15 seconds to understand the image, go through, find the objects. There you go. And it removed the all data from here. And ages are like, if you see it, it did really good job in understanding the persona and removed it. And you can, in no second, I have created this particular content for my post, and you can change it. It's again, it's super easy to use. If you don't like it, if you want to change the fonts, there's a mini toolbar where you can use all this stuff. Or there is, for you to get started, you can even click on this command K to navigate in the entire application with just your keyboard. We already have all the keyboards. And then if you want to open the advanced panel, for doing some more fancy work, you can always open it, and you have all the controls from gradients to shadows to strokes. For images, you can apply like cropping. So all the capabilities are there for you to do your best work. So let me pause there. Meg or anybody else in the room, do you have any questions? We are happy to answer here.
I love it.
Thank you.
I think my favorite thing that I'm the most excited about is our AI assistant. Sorry, my kids woke up.
Mhm.
But our AI assistant is just making all of this content so much easier, and it still lets you choose. So you're getting to get all of these pre-made things, but you can also choose which ones you like, which I just love.
Yep, and there is always back and forth with your customers or like your clients. Like what you can do now, let's say if you generate hashtags, you can share a document with them and say, hey, what do you think? Are these good? Or you can create a nice document, Word document, copy paste it. So you can collaborate with your entire team as a marketer. Or if you're selling, you're working with someone, you can always use AI to share some ideas.
I do love that because this week in the community, one of our designers was saying that she has to go back and forth with the client as always, but you can actually do that in Simplified. So you don't have to export it and send it and all of that. You could just share it right there in Simplified with your client so that they can see it in real time, what you're designing. And then you can even make changes like on a call with your client in Simplified in real time so that they're getting the design that they want.
All right. I hope this is helpful. Again, we are open for question and answers. So do not hesitate. You can join our official community as well. So that way it's on Facebook. You can go to facebook.com and simplify official community. You can always ask questions there as well. If you are as a part of our one of the local community in India or Africa, again, do not hesitate. Ask us questions. We are here to help. And yeah, go be creative. We are glad that we are building this platform. We are building this for you and with you, and we are here to help. Thank you. Again, I'll stop the recording and we can hang out here and discuss few, and we are happy to share some more tricks to you.